Welcome back once again, my dear friends. I hope that you all are keeping well. This is another video. I promised you that I was going to join you very soon, and here I am once again with the second part of the video that I uploaded very recently. Just a few days ago I had uploaded. The name of the lesson is Landscape of the Soul. And today in this lesson I'm going to talk about the second part of this lesson, that is getting inside outsider art. It is an article by Brinda Suri published on 28th of August 2005 in the Hindustan Times. In this part of the lesson, the writer is talking about the outsider art. Now, this art form is a very unique art form which was mooted by the French artist named Jean de Buffet or Jean de Buffet. Right? He mooted this idea. Mooted means brought to us as a subject of discussion and study. It was during the 1940s when he started this art form in France. Now question is, what is this art bird or outsider art, or some people even call it raw art? What is this? Right? It is a form of art when the artist does not have a formal training, yet the artist shows artistic insight. This form of art is just in contrast to the mainstream art. When de Buffet was propounding his concept in France, in India, an untrained genius was creating a paradise at Chandigarh. He changed a patch of jungle into a garden, sculpted with stone and recycled material. Now this place is known as Rock Garden in Chandigarh, which is very famous in India as well as all over the world. It is a beautiful place to go to and enjoy the creative genius of the artist, right? This creative genius is none other than Nek Chand himself. Now, Nek Chand is regarded as the biggest contributor to outsider art or new art or art bird. He is one of the greatest contributors in this field of art, and especially in India, probably he was the first to develop this kind of art form, and which was praised all over the world. Now, Nek Chand's contribution to outsider art was featured in the spring 2005 of Raw Vision. Now, what is this Raw Vision? It is one of the best magazines in the field of outsider art publication. It is a UK-based magazine. Nek Chand has used anything and everything, starting from tin to zinc to a broken car, as raw material for his artwork. That is the beauty of this art form. You can use anything to make something very beautiful, which you might not feel that it could be so attractive and so beautiful, and it is really appreciating for a person to use certain things which are discarded, which are thought to be junk material, and we throw them away. But he created artwork with those things, right? Nek Chand was also honored by Swiss Commission of UNESCO. His artwork was on the exhibition for the Europeans. There was an interactive show called Realm of Nek Chand for 5 months in leading museums in Switzerland, Belgium, France and Italy. So he was highly appreciated by the people from different parts of the world, especially in Europe and western part of the world, and his art was acclaimed all over. So this great genius is an Indian. So India as a country is renowned all over the world for its art and culture, and Nek Chand had added something new in this field. So my dear students and viewers, I hope that you enjoyed this lesson, and this lesson is about art and culture, especially Asian art and Indian art and what is the contribution or what are the contributions in various fields of artwork that has been proved in this lesson. So I hope that you've enjoyed this lesson. Thank you very much for watching this. It will help you to prepare your lesson for the examination. Prepare yourself to get the gist and idea of the lesson. I think that you have liked this lesson. If you have liked it, kindly share it, give me a thumbs up and comment. Very important that is, because your comment encourages me to make video according to your choice, according to your ideas, according to your likings. So don't forget to comment and share and like and subscribe. So my dear friends, I will meet you with another video in a very short time. Till then, stay safe, stay well, take care of your health and your family's health. Till then, bye for now. Have a very good time. Bye.